Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today I'm going to be talking through the Easel Raster carve feature. Essentially what this allows us to do is change the direction in which the toolpath moves to help us kind of carve with the grain of material. And we're going to kind of take a look at that really quickly. So I've got two pockets here. When I simulate this carve, if we watch the toolpath, it's going to start and move in a circular pattern kind of around the design that I have, and it's going to move out from the center. And this is what we would call an offset raster. And this is typically what's the default, or this is the default for any new easel project. We can change that by going to the cut settings and moving down to here where it says fill method. Currently we can see it set to offset. If I change it to x-axis and then simulate my carve and run it, you'll see that the bit starts and moves just along the x-axis of my design. And this is, let's say we have a piece of material that's got grain going in a specific direction. We can use this to keep the bit moving with the grain of the material. Very similarly, I can change it to y-axis, simulate it, and now it's going to move, the bit is going to carve along the y-axis. Again, mostly to be considerate towards grain. And that's how you can change the raster of the carve in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.